Kahtoola EXOspikes. Now I'm going to show you how to put it on the boot the easy way that I found. All right, hang on. Okay, so now this is the front of the spike, and this little tab here is at the back. All right, now you take that and just put your hand around there like that. Put it over top your toe like that. Make sure it's on nice and even. Then you take the back like this and you pull on it. Put your thumb in behind there, make sure it gets on nice and straight. Pull that up. You might have to adjust the toe a little bit just to bring it down. Like that. These boots are they're a little bit bigger than my normal boots, but they're the same size, so I don't know how that works. So you gotta try and get that over top that lip. There we go. You want that up as high as you can in the back so it doesn't slip down. But there again, if you're not sure about them staying on, this is what I did in the back of the other boot. I took a little strap and I just tied it on there like that, back to itself, to the pull tab on your boot. That way this ain't gonna slide off. Okay, now I don't think it will, but I didn't want it to come off because I drag my feet and everything when I'm getting in and out of my truck. Okay, so there you go. That's how you install the Kahtoola EXOspike. Awesome unit, I'll tell you what.